All right. Hey everyone, it's Danielle again with my second YouTube video on the same night about this Kwikset lock. So I just made a YouTube video, my very first one, after realizing I couldn't find any videos about how to erase all of the codes and then add a code. So that was just posted, but now I realize, hey, why not create one that shows how to delete a single code? So the code that I want to delete is going to be 9595. Now really quickly, the process to do this is going to be 0000 Kwikset to Kwikset 9595 Kwikset. But really want to show you that this code exists. So 9595 Kwikset, which unlocks. Now let's delete that code. 0000 Kwikset to Kwikset 9595 Kwikset. Those two beeps in green signal that I did complete this properly. So let's lock the door and try the code. Doesn't work. All right, well, I hope this helps someone. And again, apologies for the really bad looking nails.